Namaste. Today I will be discussing with you all an ingredient that has amazing benefits, and it is something that a lot of the skin types and skin conditions can actually benefit from. And this is an ingredient that I kind of just mentioned in a video or two back when I was talking about dehydrated skin. Now this ingredient is called hyaluronic acid, or HA for short. Welcome to Beauty and Colorful Tales. I am Yolandi, an internationally qualified somatologist, and on this platform of mine, I share anything skincare, beauty, and nail care tips and tricks. So if you haven't yet, feel free to like and subscribe so that you can join in on the conversation, as well as get a little bit more knowledge about certain skin types, skin conditions, skin treatments, anything beauty related, and nail care. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring molecule, and it has got amazing benefits for dehydrated skins, as well as dry skins, strange enough, as well as aging skins. So let's delve into the ways of how it works and what the benefits can be, as well as cautions that needs to be taken when introducing new ingredients to your skin. Now, what makes this ingredient so amazing is the fact that one molecule can hold up to 1,000 times its own weight in water, causing the skin cells to be nice, full, plump as well, giving you that smooth, youthful, and rejuvenated skin complexion at the end of the day. Now, the skins that will definitely benefit from it, top of the list is your dehydrated skins. And I have done a video regarding dehydrated skin a video or two back, so you all can go and have a look at that one just to understand dehydrated skin a little bit more. Dry skins also benefit from it. I've done one of those as well, a video of that, so you can go and have a look on that one just to understand your dry skins. And then there is aging skins, which I think might be the next video that I'll be doing, so stay tuned for that one. But now, how can these three different skin types really benefit from it? Firstly, with your dehydrated skins, what happens is when your skin is extremely dehydrated, you do look aged. There is some fine lines visible, as well as your skin just looks very dull and lifeless. But the reason for this is, if you think of a desert has got those, especially where there used to be water, like little water puddles. It's very dry. The surface of the sand is quite cracked. That is exactly what our skin looks like when your skin is dehydrated and you look under a microscope. Now, by using an hyaluronic acid ingredient in your skincare routine, what it does is, like I said, it plumps up your skin cells. So it minimizes and it brings those gaps closer together, reducing the signs of fine lines. Now, by reducing the signs of fine lines, it does kind of little bit help with your aging skin, because then you don't look as aged, because when we start to age, there's fine lines and then wrinkles that appear. It will not take your wrinkles away, but it will definitely help with some fine lines because your skin will be a little bit more plumped up. And then for your dry skin types, they do also benefit from hyaluronic acid. And they can't, unfortunately, just use hyaluronic acid on its own. They need to incorporate another product, a very good moisturizer or a barrier treatment, a barrier cream or ointment that you would usually use after you've had your facial peels and that done, as a protection for your skin. Now, you need to be cautious when you use hyaluronic acid. You need to look at your environment. If you are living in an arid, low humidity climate, it is best to, once again, like I said, especially like with your dry skin, that you would use a moisturizer or a barrier repair treatment on top of the skin. Because what happens is, instead of this ingredient attracting the moisture into your skin and holding it in your skin, it actually starts to take the water out of your skin and it evaporates into the air, which is not something that we want. We want to retain the moisture in our skin. So by applying that barrier ointment or your moisturizer, nice thick moisturizer on top of, or just after you've used a hyaluronic acid, you will benefit from the ingredient in that way. So just to make sure that you look at a couple of things before you start using it. And like with any other ingredient, like I've mentioned before, is before you start using it, to always do a patch test. There has been some individuals that has had adverse reactions. They've shown allergic reactions or skin irritations after using hyaluronic acid on their skins. But it also just depends on your skin, how it responds to certain ingredients and what it will, or how it will react. So just ensure that you do follow a dermatologist or a professional skin therapist or a somatologist advice. Let them have a look at your skin, and then from there on you can see whether you will benefit from it or not. In conclusion, hyaluronic acid has got amazing benefits for the skin, and everyone out there should be including it into their skincare routine if it is possible, because we all want a nice, plump, rejuvenated and youthful looking skin for as long as possible. But caution once again to ensure that you do patch test, as well as ensure that you do follow a professional's advice when you are introducing new skincare ingredients or products into your skincare routine. Remember, a healthy skin is a personal journey. Skincare is not a one-size-fits-all, and it is best to seek professional help from a dermatologist or a somatologist to help and guide you on a path to a healthy and more radiant skin. Thank you for watching. If you found this informative and if you've learned something new, please go and click on that like as well as on the subscribe button down there and join us in the journey of a healthy, radiant, glowing skin.